Welcome to Welancer, the online destination for freelance talent and businesses. We're excited to introduce you to our freelance marketplace and show you all that we have to offer. It has been designed after thorough research to cater to the requirements of people interested in building freelance marketplace or other similar projects. Here are some of the main features of our freelance marketplace. We introduced features such as easy job posting, access to top-rated freelancers, secure payment system, but don't just take our word for it. Modern and clean freelance directory website. This template is ready for your freelance directory website. Easy to use, custom, well-layered, and properly named. It's very easy to edit. You just need to place your images in the placeholder area. To replace and input the images you have. Properly arranged layers and groups will save you time. You will be able to use the elements and components easily. Make your website design look stunning and eye-catching using this template. This template includes 18 unique and modern user interface screens in Figma format. You can easily edit and customize using Figma. We hope you're as excited about Welancers as we are. If you're ready to get started, get in touch with me to build a stunning marketplace solution for yours. Our freelance marketplace has been growing steadily over the years. By Welancer, you can make a trendy personal portfolio for you and your client. Thank you for considering Welancer for your freelance needs. We can't wait to help you find the perfect freelancer for your project.